Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Aptos Airdrop and show you how to claim it because some people have issues and I was actually able to do it. It is quite a good price for now, and this airdrop worth 1100 US dollars, which is very great. I want to talk who is eligible and what is the end date for this claim. And actually let me start with their initial tweet for a couple of hours ago. So they said that early adopters and early network participants will be rewarded with APT tokens, and if you are eligible you will receive the email from airdrop at aptosfoundation.org in a few hours. So it is how this email look like, and eligibility criteria is first, users who completed an application for an Aptos testnet, and second, users who minted an Aptos Zero testnet NFT. I hope you did it. Mid-September I did the video about this NFT. This is worth to do claim because it's like $1,000, insane for the beginning of the network. So if you did like this testnet claim, you could then go to their airdrop website, Aptos Foundation Airdrop. What's the first step? You need to sign in, and in this case it is put in your name in here, and then next step you need to connect your wallet. So it is multiple of them. Mine is Martian wallet, and it will ask you to put the password and then approve the request. So once the request is approved, you please make sure you are choosing mainnet, not testnet or devnet. So as I claimed my airdrop already, it doesn't show more in here like the steps, but I did record it before and had the issues as other people having. So, and the second step, like saying that you must have sufficient funds to cover gas fees for the airdrop, and they provide you free one-time deposit of small amount of APT provided by Aptos Foundation. You need to click learn more here, and it will automatically redirect you to another page and deposit 0.025 Aptos in your wallet, but then later on you need to click to claim airdrop, and as all the people like from Twitter, from everywhere, they have the same issue. So airdrop claim failed, there is not enough tokens to perform the transaction, and then it says please try to do it tomorrow. And I didn't want to wait for tomorrow because it's like 150 Aptos, and the value is at that moment it was $1,200. So what I did next, there are two exchanges now supporting like deposits from the exchange to the wallet. So those two are FTX plus Coinbase. You cannot transfer it from Binance. You could buy from Binance, but you cannot transfer using Aptos network, but it's able to do using by FTX and Coinbase. So what I did, I did very quickly registered here. It's like took maybe maximum 15-10 minutes, but like $1,000 is definitely worth it. So I just registered here and bought small amount of Aptos, like 3 Aptos, and then you need to transfer it in your wallet, Martian wallet, or any wallets you have. And once you do it, it's enough amount for claiming actually. So, and you will be able to put your coins in there, and after this you will see these APT tokens have been transferred from Aptos Foundation and now available in your wallet. So, and once it's available, yeah, it's also depends what you want to do, but in case you want to have some profits. I mean, you could also deposit it back to the exchange, so it is something I did. I just put it to FTX, and it transferred successfully. Just it took 30 minutes to appear in FTX, so even blockchain already showing the transaction happen. It was not that fast for exchange to show it, so I will potentially like buy it back with lower prices, because I think that the amount of airdrop is huge. So what they actually say that airdrop is 20 million of Aptos tokens will be airdrop for 110k of participants, which is a huge amount of like early adopters, and it's also the great at the same time. And probably the price will go in like even down. I did the video like 6 hours ago talking about price, and actually it's showing what I was expecting, but it could be going like a little bit less. I just don't know, but I think it's good to buy back at $5, at $3, something like that, but I will see. So anyway, I bought it like I sold it 7 something already. So, and also most important here things that there are no other airdrops or giveaways of Aptos tokens will appear. It's important to know, because it's a lot of scam around the crypto space, and yeah, please be very careful. I will put all the links in the description below for this page and for their Aptos Labs website to claim this airdrop. And yeah, it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.